welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a digital audio player for you, and I'll be showing you how it looks like, how it's connected, what is this small panel, and how you can connect it easily. It's really easy stuff. You can play MP3 or Bluetooth or whatever. You can use this panel for make a own Bluetooth speaker, own Bluetooth radio, own Bluetooth car stuff, or even the digital audio player for your car. It's really simple, working on 12 volts, and everything is built in. Is also included the amplifier, which means actually you doesn't need anything else. You just need the plug-in power, plug-in speaker, and that's it. Really good stuff, and it costs just only 10 euro, included the delivery from AliExpress. Yeah, it's good price. I think it's been less than 10 euro. It's been like 8 something, but never mind, you can find it easily. If you want the link, just let me know. I can put some link on the description as well for you. And yeah, here you go. Let's go have a look on this closely, how it looks like. And yeah, it's also got a big remote control, which looks like this. Yeah, this. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks like, the remote control, and let's go look closely. Okay, we got a remote control, which is volume up, volume down, and some numbers on that, mode, equalizer, repeat, changing the stuff, and it's on the double AAA battery. And next stuff is this panel. You can fit to anywhere you want. You can make box whatever you want. It's really up to your imagination. It's really easy to plug in because it's just power cable, plus and minus, and speakers, 2 speakers, and that's it. That's all you need. Plug in this to your radio, and once you've done this, you are ready to play this from USB, micro SD card, Bluetooth. It's also got an FM radio. You can simply volume up and down, and you also can record, and there is also the microphone included, aux. Yeah, it's really good for the price. And also you can see the display is just on the left hand side, show you how it's played, the stereo sounds plus some number. And that's it, nothing else. And there is actually one more thing, which is FM radio, and the FM radio is connected over here. That means you just need to plug in this small cable, which is antenna, and that I'll solder straight on here. It's really simple, just like this. And that's it. I got an antenna solder, and that's it. Okay, now all we need to do is plug in speaker. I got the two, this Sound Cambridge Soundwork Creative Quality speaker. Is really good speaker. It's from the 5.1 system, and it's got a Zhongke clap-in connector. Let me just clip in. Clip in. Now I need to find some power. Okay. Now I will put the 2 battery here. We can use the memory card. Now also I've got a power supply which is actually this one. It's 12 volt exactly. It's the same one as for the car. It's actually the car charger, and I'll plug then. Plug them gently. Just be sure it doesn't make any short, and you can see as this starts working. I will switch then all the radio now, which is mode. Here we go. And yeah. I just wanna wait till some talking because I don't wanna anything broken from the YouTube law. I don't want a copyright strike. That means just wait, or just change the radio signal. You can hear it. It's okay. I just put some signal in. I will not test any sound because I don't want to broken the YouTube copyright or something like that. You can see the audio, which one is working, and yeah, let's play over this full speaker. Yeah, it's stereo. Yeah, it's working very well. Yeah, sound is like this. I don't wanna use for the sound because I don't have any now free to use sound, but maybe some talk. I will try find it. Why everywhere play the same? Okay, here you go. We got some talk and
Telefón, nikdy nebuďte sami. Svojím prvým ahoj sa niečo začalo. Alexander Graham Bell. Britsko-americký vynálezca škótskeho pôvodu sa narodil 3. marca 1840.
And this is how it works. Okay, and also you can plug in the memory card. And you see, it works. And also you can plug in the USB or whatever. Okay, that is how it looks like, the simple connection. Hopefully you like it. It's really nice stuff. It's not the one I ordered, actually. It's not with the display I want it. I will be ordered probably the second one, but first at all, I will be fit this one in my car because all cable is in. Also I will show you, and also I will be let you know how it's playing on the car. Make a video about it. Hopefully you like it, and don't forget to click like, subscribe. It's really nice stuff for £10, and you will be put on some box and all the speaker plug in. You can have a nice Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, there's a Bluetooth connection as well, and also it's got a record sound. Okay, why not? Click like, subscribe, and stay tuned on my channel for more video like this. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you later, alligator.